we're going to review the 2017 Camaro version 2 MRT exhaust. This is the full catback system with the version 2 muffler, made from 304 stainless steel right here in Plymouth, Michigan. This is the perfect system for you. You're going to get all the performance benefits by reducing our backflow, back pressure in the exhaust system. This is a full 3-inch exhaust system that Y's into dual 2.5, so there is no restriction being caused by the exhaust system reducing our overall volume. Let's go see how it works. Now, as far as any sort of a boom or resonance or anything that would be unpleasant or uncomfortable, I am not picking up on any of those attributes. So very comfortable, very manageable for around city. Now we're going to step up the speed just a little bit. We're going to do a little bit more aggressive acceleration, higher speeds. Balance. Now this exhaust under acceleration is sporty, and it's a sports performance sound. That's how I would phrase this. And again, it's giving you that sports car sound under spirited acceleration, and it is not making you live with any exhaust note that you don't want during normal driving conditions. All right, now we're going to hop on the highway. We're going to try to get up to the normal highway cruising speeds and get in our high gear, which is sixth gear on this 6-speed transmission, and see what happens to our exhaust sound and what kind of resonance or drone might be present. Alright, so now we're going 70 miles an hour, about 2100 RPM. We're on the highway, a little bit of load. We're going up a slight incline, so I can just barely hear the exhaust over tire noise. Drone, 0. So is there any period in the driving experience that would be uncomfortable or annoying? And I have not experienced any. This is a very comfortable, very refined performance sound from your 4-cylinder turbo Camaro. Sounds like a sports car, frees up some back pressure, absolutely gets some performance, and makes this baby more fun to drive. Call us at MRT, we'll ship you your system today.